Let's assemble the flat car. Ready. Let's load the boards onto the flat car. Done! Let's make wooden decking for the platform. Let's weld a crack on the flat car. Keep it up. Let's grind the welding seam. Hooray! Look at the cloud and choose the same color. Done! We need to assemble the open wagon. Keep it up. Now let's load the beams for the frame into the open wagon. Amazing! Let's assemble the frame of the first and second floors. Let's wash the open wagon. We did it! Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Hooray! Let's fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. Now you try. Keep it up. Let's install the facade and railings on the balcony. Let's send the train to the depot. We need to assemble the crane. Hooray! Let's fuel the crane. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's complete the construction of the building. We need to send the train to the depot. Move the driver's controller to the extreme position to speed up. Move the driver's controller to the extreme position to speed up. Move the driver's controller to the extreme position to speed up. Let's assemble a container car. Done! Now let's load the facade decorations into the container car. Hooray!